Hello, everyone. Welcome to another LAMP CAA assessment, this time for TCM pattern differentiation. And for this week, we shall be reviewing the diagnosis of patterns using the Zhangfu organs. Let's welcome Sir Victor, who's always on time. Good
Good
afternoon.
afternoon po. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon po, Ma'am Leia. Okay. So while waiting for the others, then I guess we have to start. Okay, so what is our pattern here, no? So that means you have to use the Zhangfu organs, okay? So here, as you can see, this is very typical of this pattern. The symptoms are worse on exertion, okay? And another very um, leading uh, word would be palpitations. So we all know that if you see the word palpitations, then that's very obvious, no? Okay. Chest tightness, shortness of breath or dyspnea, fatigue, pale face, spontaneous sweating. That means even if it's not hot, you perspire a lot. Okay. The tongue is pale with white coating. Sometimes you don't see anything unless it's late stage. The pulse is weak. So from the pulse strength alone, you would already know the pattern, diba? It's
Hmm.
rapid, without strength, knotted, or abrupt. What is your diagnosis, Sir Victor?
Heart Chi deficiency.
Very good. Next. Okay, what is the diagnosis here? It's basically the same, except that there is the presence of cold symptoms, no? Intolerance to cold, cold limbs. So that's the only addition, no? The tongue is pale and flabby. It could also be wet, no? And the pulse is weak, slow, minute, knotted, and deep without strength. So what is your diagnosis?
Heart Yang deficiency.
Great. Next. This time, the palpitations are sudden and severe. So this is still heart pattern. I think I have emphasized this before. If you see sweats that are a little bit oily, pearl-like, profuse, okay, severely cold limbs, I think the time is near. Pale complexion, feeble breath, severe chest pain, cyanosis of the lips, possible loss of consciousness or coma, the tongue. When you look at the tongue, you don't even have to look at the tongue because the lips are now bluish, and the pulse are minute and faint and very irregular. What is your diagnosis?
Heart Yang collapse.
Okay, so this is a very critical condition. Okay, so we hope that our patients don't end up like this. Okay, that's why I've always emphasized the importance of having regular acupuncture treatments, no, by good practitioners like you. If possible, nga, every 2 weeks or once a month, no. And let's educate people to look at their tongues. Number four, still palpitations. There's fright. If you notice, that's fright. So if you have fright, it will always affect the heart as well, no? Insomnia, dream disturbed, sleepless, dizziness. The tongue is pale, poor memory, concentration, pale lips, everything is pale. Complexion. The pulse is thin and weak. What is your diagnosis?
Heart blood deficiency.
Very good. Wow. Next, still on palpitations, and then accompanied by insomnia. And I think you know the answer already. Low grade fever in the afternoon or evening. The patient will always say, how come I feel like just like my patient the other day, sabi niya, I always have this feeling like when at the 3 o'clock or 4 o'clock, I start feeling hot. a little hot, but not feverish. 5 center heat, night sweats, malar flush. So if you look at the tongue, the coating may be scanty and the color might be red. Okay. And the pulse is thin, rapid. What's your diagnosis?
Heart yin deficiency.
Yes. Or there could be empty heat already. Okay.
Mm,
But remember, the coating is still scanty. Ibig sabihin may natitira pa. No? And
mm.
when the color of the tongue is red, it's almost always that the kidney is already involved. Okay. But primarily it's heart yin deficiency. Very good. Number 6. Okay. Red lips, face. Very obvious. Irritability, anxiety, insomnia, canker sores. May mga sugat-sugat, no? On the lips or tongue. Vexation. Bitter taste. Okay. Bitter taste, especially upon waking up. If you had a very not so good sleep the night before. There's possible manic behavior, delirium. There can be nosebleed, vomiting blood, skin sores or boils, and the urination could be burning and painful, mainly because the heart is connected to the small intestine. Diba? The tongue is the tip red. The tip is red, deep red with yellow coating. Pulse is rapid. What's your diagnosis?
Heart fire blazing.
Great. Number 7. Okay. Symptoms are fever, irritability. So the thing that is very interesting here is manic agitation, no? Violent behavior, okay? Uncontrolled laughter, okay? And when you look at the tongue, it has a yellow greasy coating and red tongue body, okay? So there's manic behavior and there are heat phlegm signs, okay? So slippery and rapid. So this is very obvious, diba? Slippery and rapid. What is the diagnosis, Sir Victor?
Phlegm, fire harassing the heart.
Very good. It is also called yang madness, no? I'm sure you've seen someone who is having some mental issues, no? Have you seen one, Sir Victor? Nakakita na kayo ng isang medyo naguhurame, parang tawa na lang ng tawa, you know?
Ay,
Yung mga
yung
yung hindi
ah,
na naka-confine, no? Yung iniiwan na lang
oh,
sa
yung sa kalsada.
yun nga, kawawa naman. So, baka pwede niyong kupkupin. Dapat trabaho yan ng ano, di ba? Ng
DSWD.
DSWD. Yeah. Dapat marunong din sila mag ano, kakaawa, di ba? Anyway, ay nawala ako. Wait lang. Sorry. I couldn't monitor your... Do you have... Monitor ko kasi. Minsan nawawala kayo sa ano. Wala pa yung...
Mahina yung medyo mahina yung internet.
Oo nga, medyo humina. Bilisan na natin.
Sige po.
Okay, number 8. Naku, baka mawala bigla. Nagtaka ako, I always have a monitor kasi. Minsan kasi hindi lumalabas eh. So, yun. Pero okay naman kanina, no? You could see it. Humina lang kasi yung ano ko, Wi-Fi siguro. Okay, what is the pattern here? Tulog ng tulog, mental fatigue.
Phlegm, misting the heart, yin mania.
Yes. Okay, if you look at the tongue, phlegm na phlegm talaga, no? Thick, greasy. Actually, rough yung ano niyan, saka malaki yung tongue. Um, yeah, I actually I know someone from my place. Medyo na-depressed. Ganun din siya. Buti nakatulong naman. He came because of anxiety, but I don't think it's just anxiety. Okay? Laki ng tongue niya talaga. Cough, phlegm, breathing with phlegm sounds in the throat, chronic depression, aversion to speaking, mumbling to self, laughing, crying inappropriately. What's your answer? Phlegm, fire, misting the heart. This is what we call yin madness psychosis.
Yes.
Next. Ito, this is also very common. If you note, especially if you notice that the tongue is purplish, no? And this is something that we should all be aware of. Pag nakita natin yung tongue natin, you have to immediately see a cardiologist. Okay? For ano. Kaya, okay, I have a question, Sir Victor, kasi I'd like to really know. Alam ko you're good. Like, is there a way of knowing, um, yeah, what part of the tongue do we look at to be able to tell some, you know, that there is a possibility na magkakaroon tayo ng heart issue?
Yung
Yung hindi natin muna antayin, we will not wait for the tongue to turn purple, right? Remember
yung
the sublingual veins?
sublingual.
Yeah. So pag
Pagka purple,
yeah. So we will not wait for the tongue to turn purple. So dapat nagpapaano na tayo or we need to do something. Maybe look at what we're doing, no? So take note, continuous or frightful palpitations. Basta pag may palpitations, you have to see an MD already, cardiologist. Chest tightness or distress. Chest pain, which is intermittent. It radiates to the shoulder or arm. And very typical po yung pain. It's sharp, no? Purple petechiae sa tongue. Okay? So, thready and choppy ang pulse. Kasi nga barado. What is your diagnosis here, Sir Victor?
heart vessel obstruction, blood stasis.
Yeah, it's obvious. Good. What about this? Aside from the symptoms kanina, this time, uh, the pulse is deep and slippery. This is contrasted to kanina, no? Heart vessel obstruction, blood stasis, choppy and choppy, no? Or very faint or thready. Ito naman, deep and slippery. So what's your diagnosis here?
Heart vessel obstruction, phlegm.
Okay, you see? It is not enough na sasabihin lang natin heart vessel obstruction. We need to know what is causing it. Kanina, it was
Blood
blood
stasis.
stasis. Yeah. Next, what about this? Okay. Um, if you look at the tongue and then it's pale, tapos white yung coating, and the patient feels meron siyang severe pain, you should ask, is the pain relieved by applying warm compress? No?
Mm.
And cold ang limbs. So what's your diagnosis here?
Heart vessel obstruction, excess cold.
Okay, so if you notice lahat may chest pain, no?
Mm.
Lahat may chest pain. So that's heart vessel obstruction. So we have already studied blood stasis, tapos yung phlegm, tapos ngayon yung excess cold. So if you are very observant, the pulse is tight, slow and deep. Slow. So slow, cold na cold yan.
Cold.
Tight. Yeah. Number 12. What is your diagnosis here? Ito naman, the pain comes in as a result of emotions. No, may emotional stress. Lumalala yung pain pag may emotional stress. May chest pain.
Mm. So, heart vessel obstruction, chi
Very
stagnation.
good. Because of the wiry pulse, no? Can you
Mm.
see the difference? Lahat may chest pain. Heart vessel obstruction yan. Diba? So, there. slightly red ang tongue. Actually, minsan it's not red eh. No? Basta anything that is aggravated by emotional stress, lumala yung chest pain. Tsaka distending pain, yung parang lumalaki siya. No? Next, there's mental fatigue, somnolence, tulog ng tulog, abnormal behavior with cough, and then meron sudden syncope with troubling saliva and spasm of limbs, short blackout period or period of confusion, change in perception of surroundings. When you look at the tongue, it's thick with it has a thick greasy coat. Pulse is slippery. So naka bold letters yung symptoms na very relevant. What's your diagnosis here?
Phlegm, misting the heart, epilepsy.
Very good. So epilepsy is actually phlegm misting the heart. So if you know how to treat these people, I think you already know what to do. Diba? Oh, madali lang. Number 14. Um, okay. Dim complexion, sense of fuzziness, ambiguous speech, no? Hindi malinaw, hindi clear. Breathing with phlegm sounds, syncope, loss of consciousness. Thick, greasy coat, slippery. So this time, to differentiate this from epilepsy, you need to really ask the symptoms. What's your diagnosis here?
Phlegm, misting the heart pa rin,
Yeah.
pero phlegm collapse.
Okay. Phlegm fire. Or phlegm, no? Hindi pa man red masyado yung tongue. Okay.
Kaya slippery.
Punta naman tayo sa small intestine, no? Okay. The young partner of the heart. So there is dull pain in the lower abdomen, but the pain is relieved by pressure or warmth. There are people, they wanted to apply pressure na relieve. Pero pag lumalala yung pain, that means it's excess, no? May borborygmi, these are bowel sound. Naririnig mo may tumutunog. Loose stool, frequent clear copious urination, intolerance of cold limbs, low energy. The tongue is pale, flabby with thin white coating. So normal, pero flabby siya, probably wet. Deep, weak, and slow. So what's your diagnosis?
Spleen and stomach yang deficiency.
Mm, wait lang. Saan ba dito yung will tell you that the stomach is deficient in yang? Wala siyang ano ha, wala siyang ano ba tawag dito? Nagbe-belch, yung parang nag-regurge, no? Regurgitate. Walang vomiting, nausea, di ba? You don't see any vomiting. Pero you see borborygmi, no? Pag borborygmi yan, small intestine po yan. Okay?
Mm,
So the question is, ano ang pattern sa small intestine? Definitely ito very obvious, cold limbs, no? So that means meron kang small intestine yang deficiency or small
mm.
intestine deficiency cold. Okay? Number 16. Oh, ito naman, still small intestine, but I want you to tell me what is that. So, kung titingnan nyo, meron na siyang bloody urine. Okay? Okay, pag bloody na yung urine, irritability, thirst, desire to drink cold water. So, ibig sabihin, may apoy, no? Sore throat, canker sores, tongue ulcers. The tongue is red with yellow dry coating. Pulse is rapid surging. What is your diagnosis?
Ang nakuha ko nito is heat, LI, o
No,
lean
no,
ba
no.
to?
It should be SI. Ganito ha,
SI.
pag burning urination, lalo na pag bloody urine, tinan nyo ha, frequent urination with painful, urgent burning sensation. Pag naiihi siya, parang, nagbe-burn, no? Scant,
Mm,
dark yellow possibly. So that's very, very small intestine. As well as the borborygmi. Dito wala ka nakikita. Kasi this is not cold. definitely. Pag cold, ibig sabihin mahina. So that's where you have borborygmus, borborygmi plural. But in this case, you don't see borborygmi, but naka-bold po ang burning urination. Okay?
Mm, kaya
So,
heat in the air.
hindi lang siya heat. Kasi alam mo bakit, no? Thirst with desire to drink, hindi lang water, cold water. So, ibig sabihin, merong, saka ano, tingnan nyo yung
Okay.
pulse, no? Rapid surging, mabilis, surging,
Surging.
overwhelming, that small intestine excess fire.
Mm. Small intestine excess fire.
Okay?
Okay po.
So, yung small intestine cold, um, deficient cold, merong borborygmi. Ito naman, may mga canker sores, may burning urination, that small intestine excess fire. Related pa din sa heart siya. Diba? Heart and small intestine,
Mm.
they are partners. Next. Still small intestine, but you have to tell me what is the pattern. Tingnan nyo ha, ito po yung keywords. Distension. What did we say about distension? Immediately, if you see this, you will think of what type of stagnation. Tingnan nyo, normal white coating, tapos wiry but deep. Ibig sabihin interior. Lower abdominal twisting or colicky pain. So masakit po ito. Abdominal distension, dislike of pressure on the abdomen, ibig sabihin excess. Borborygma,
Mm.
very small intestine. Abdominal pain relieved by passing gas. So this is excess. What is your answer? When you look at the tongue, it's normal. Pero yeah,
Small intestine chi pain.
very good. Cheese stagnation.
Stagnation.
Kasi may distension po. Huh? Next, number 18. Or chi pain. Yeah. Pareho din yun. Chi pain, chi stagnation. Now, let's go to, ito pa lang. Ano na po ang palagay nyo ang Zangfu organ na involved? Cough, feeble cough. Ibig sabihin, mahiyain yung ubo niya. So lang na panting. Alam niyo yung panting? Parang naghabol. Copious thin
Hirap.
clear sputum. Hindi siya makapal. Clear lang siya. Tapos, spontaneous sweating. Shortness of breath, weak voice, fatigue, madaling madapuan ng colds, aversion to wind. The tongue is pale, pero normal yung coating. Pulse is weak. What is your diagnosis?
Lung chi deficiency.
Galing. Very good. Next, dry cough. Hmm. Ito palang dry cough, ha? Alam mo na kaagad yung diagnosis. Di ba,
Eh,
sir? Tuyo siya.
oh,
Without sputum. Actually, dry na nga, without sputum. Pwede ring sticky sputum or blood-tainted sputum, difficult to expectorate, dry mouth, emaciation, um, parang may TB. Actually, TB talaga. Hoarse voice, low-grade fever in the afternoon or evening, malar flush. The tongue is red, scanty coating. So ito pa lang very, very very leading na. And the pulse, kasi nga deficient, di ba? Thin siya, no? And rapid. So, what's your answer?
lung yin deficiency.
Magaling. Great. Next, cough with thin, clear sputum. Okay, tingnan nyo, yung pulse nagbago. Superficial na siya, tapos tight. That's why I always tell everyone, kaya ang bilis nila natapos sa pattern differentiation. Ang dami nag-perfect. Tingnan nyo kaagad yung tongue and pulse. So tongue and pulse pa lang, Sir Victor. Ano assessment?
Oh,
Alam nyo kaagad yung sagot, di ba?
may cold tapos lung chi deficiency.
No, wait lang. Una-una, superficial lang po siya. Hmm?
Ah,
Hindi siya deep. Pag superficial, automatic yan. Exterior, di ba? So ang tanong, Anong pattern ito? Hmm? Walang problema sa coating. Thin white coating, normal. Okay. Definitely, we're not
Exterior,
thinking of wind heat here. So it's what?
cold. Cold siya.
Yeah, wind cold invading the lung. No? Next. Okay, ito naman, cough with thick, sticky yellow sputum. Okay, take note of the discharge, yellow, thick, slight thirst, sore
Mm.
throat, slight aversion lang to wind or cold. The tip of the tongue is red with thin yellow coating. Pulse superficial, so again, it's exterior and rapid. What is your diagnosis?
Wind heat invasion.
Yes, very good. Of the lung. Exterior siya. Next. Okay. Tinan nyo. Ang keyword dito, puro dry. Nakita nyo? Dry
Mm.
throat, dry nose, dry lahat. Little or no sweating. Thin, dry coating. Okay. Then superficial na naman. So this is exterior again. Pag hindi siya exterior, hindi siya superficial. Di ba, Sir Victor? Rapid or
Opo.
superficial? Tight. So what's your answer?
Opo. Ah, dryness invading lung.
Okay, very good. So it is an exterior pattern. Next. Okay, ito tingnan nyo, acute onset edema. Acute, bago lang. So definitely it was confirmed by the superficial pulse, di ba? So exterior pa rin ito, no? So nagkaroon siya ng rapid edema that starts from the eye. So this is called yang edema kasi sa taas, plus scanty clear urine, fever, difficulty breathing, aversion to cold, no sweating. What's your answer?
Dalawa to. Wind heat edema. Exopathogens attack dalang wind water. Medyo
Bakit wind?
mahaba.
Bakit heat? Paano mo
May wind.
nalaman heat? Mali na siya, no? Kasi tight na yung pulse, no? So your
Mm.
answer should be, I don't know if you agree with me, wind water invading the lung. Kasi tingnan nyo,
Ah,
nagkaroon ng edema,
that,
oh. Yung bang parang nag-swell yung mata, no? Nag-swell pa
mm,
siya. Difficulty breathing. Walang sweating. So, rule out na natin yung wind heat, no? Next,
ah, yung
ito
una.
naman, acute onset, hmm, uh, coughing. Okay, tingnan nyo yung pulse, deep na. So, interior na po ito, no?
Mm,
Hmm. Ibig sabihin, meron na siyang comorbidity. Pero tingnan nyo, acute lang yung ano niya, coughing niya, panting. Okay? Hoarseness. So, yung mga madaling mamaos, meron na siyang ano, meron na talaga siyang antecedent issue, no? Meron na talagang nauna. Loss of voice, tapos cold limbs, thin white or clear sputum, white coating. What is your answer here? So definitely, you need to qualify. Ano ba ito? So, can we agree that this is interior? Diba? Hmm. Deep.
interior tapos may
Ano
phlegm.
po? Ano siya? Deficient or excess? Phlegm.
Um, yung
Ano?
parang
Wala siyang
defi-
phlegm. Yung sputum niya
bawat
clear lang. Hmm? Saka biglang nawala. Pero ito, cold limbs. Ha? Saka white yung cold.
cold.
So cold.
Oh,
Cold invading the lung, pero interior siya. Excess. Ito na yung sinasabi nating pag dati ka na mahina yung lungs mo, madali ka ring, lalo na pag nawawala yung boses. So mga namamaos dyan, you have to take care of your lungs. Number 25. Okay, so look at the pulse. Slippery. So, yung palang alam mo na kung ano yon, no? Uh,
phlegm.
okay. Hindi sinabi kung interior, no? Pero kung titingnan mo, in-emphasize yung greasy coating, thick. Hmm? So pag thick,
Mm.
is that an indication that the problem is exterior? No, di ba? Ibig sabihin matagal na,
Oh,
interior na siya. Okay?
interior.
Tingnan niya, meron siyang chronic. Ah? So, chronic paroxysmal cough with profuse white sputum that is easy to expectorate, worse after eating. So, nausea, aversion to lying down. Hindi siya makahiga.
Mm.
Productive cough. So, may sounds of throat, feeling of heaviness, tightness, distress in the chest. What's your answer?
Damp phlegm retention.
Yeah. Or turbid phlegm obstructing the lung. Yeah.
Mm.
Phlegm dump or dump phlegm. Very good. Ang galing. Naku, I'm so excited. You're so good. Next. Sayang yung iba, no? Siguro nanonood lang yung iba. They're missing a lot. Okay. Um, the tongue is red. Tapos, yung pulse rapid and slippery. What's your answer here? Yung cough niya, barking cough with profuse sticky lip. So pag naka-bold yung letters, that's the first thing that you should look at. Hmm?
Phlegm heat in the lungs.
Mm, why do you say heat? Is there
Kasi
something here? Ah, yeah, sticky yellow. Pero wala po siyang, yeah, phlegm heat. Yeah.
tapos yung rapid.
Yeah, phlegm heat. Oo, rapid pala, sorry. Yeah, phlegm heat. Okay, so, yeah, phlegm heat. I'm sorry. Heat phlegm or phlegm heat. Okay? Ang galing. Ang galing nyo na mag-diagnose, sir. Next.
Tsambahan lang.
Ano to? O, tinan nyo yung pulse slow, slippery. So, automatic ka agad. Anong klaseng... So, alam na natin na phlegm. Pero slow siya. So, definitely hindi siya heat. So, ano po to?
Phlegm fluids obstructing the lungs.
Okay, or phlegm cold. Very good. Next, slippery pulse, pero dry ang coating ng tongue. Dito pa lang meron na tayong diagnosis. Actually, lahat sila may phlegm, no? Turbid phlegm. Okay? Lahat sila may
Mm.
phlegm for productive cough. So, turbid phlegm. So, what's your diagnosis here?
Uh, Phlegm fluids obstructing the lungs. May cold din siguro.
No,
Iba.
phlegm dryness. Phlegm
Dryness.
dryness. Number 29. Okay. Pulse is rapid. So, alam na natin heat. Tapos yung tongue red. So, with yellow coating. Tapos, tingnan nyo, coughing, panting, high fever with flaring nostrils, sore throat, rapid breathing, thirst, pain in the chest, cough with foul pus and blood, dry stools, dark urine. What is your answer? Definitely, this is interior.
Phlegm heat in the lungs.
Yeah. Heat congesting the lung, interior excess. Number 30. O cough, tapos ang sputum niya, tingnan niyo po, white foamy, inability to lie down flat. So, ibig sabihin may water, scanty urine, intolerance to cold, stifling sensation in the chest, no thirst. Okay, white greasy coating, slow pulse, slippery or wiry. What's your diagnosis?
Phlegm damp obstructing lung. Tapos
Cold
meron pa shooting
water
into that.
shooting into the lung. Next. Okay, tapos na tayo sa lung. Yung sagot nyo dito dapat large intestine. Okay, abnormal bowel movements, parang, duck droppings, diarrhea or constipation, chronic loose stool, preference for warmth or pressure. So this is a deficiency condition. Then titingnan nyo po yung kanyang pulse is deep, so it's definitely not external. It's slow and feeble. Pale, flabby with white coating. What is your answer?
Large intestine cold.
Yeah. Or large intestine deficiency cold, large intestine large intestine deficiency cold. Number 32. Oh, puro dry na naman. Dali lang, no? Teen rapid. What's your answer?
Large intestine dryness.
Very good. Next, slippery or wiry tight. White glossy, thick tongue coat. Watery diarrhea with borborygmi, pain in the umbilicus, abdominal region, chills, fever, headache. Large intestine, ano?
Uh,
Same.
excess cold.
Okay. Cold dampness. Large intestine, cold dampness. Next, still large intestine. Ano nakikita nyo? Anong pattern? May dysentery, diarrhea siya, burning sensation in the anus, yellow sticky stool with strong odor. Okay, pag medyo may amoy na po, alam na natin kaagad yan. Anong klaseng pattern? So,
Damp heat.
yes, very good. Large intestine dump heat. Very good. Number 35. Okay, deep tapos forceful. So, excess na excess siya. Strawberry tongue, parang nanggaling sa Baguio. Thick, dry, yellow-brown coating. Tapos, ayaw niya ng pressure, no? Distension, bloating, constipation with dry stool. Tapos, meron siyang tidal high fever that peaks at 15 o'clock.
Mm.
That's 3 a.m. So what's your diagnosis?
Dalawa yung lumabas dito. Yung
Hindi
isa
pala
yung
3
excess
p.m.
heat
pala, 3 p.m. sorry. 3
up
p.m.
3 p.m.
Mhm.
Excess heat accumulates in large intestine.
Yes,
Saka, yan.
that's
Meron
the
pang
answer.
yung bright.
Large intestine
Yeah.
heat accumulation. Next. Ano to, pattern? Yung feeble yung cough, mahina lang. Tapos, kukunti lang yung phlegm, pero thin. Thin tapos copious. Anong pattern po ito? Walang ibang symptom.
Lung chi deficiency.
Galing. Dry cough without sputum or scanty sticky sputum or blood streak na mahirap ilabas.
Lung yin deficiency.
Very good. Harsh, forceful cough, thin clear sputum na madaling ilabas. Walang pulse.
Uh, the exopathogens attack the lung, wind, cold.
Wind cold. Very good. Hacking, hoarseness, cough with sticky yellow sputum. Right, take note, sticky yellow sputum. Madaling i-expectorate. Kanina wind cold invading the lung. Ito ano?
Ito, attack the lung, wind, heat.
Very good. Dry hacking cough with scanty white sputum. Difficult to expectorate. Dry yung cough niya, hacking. Ano po ito?
Uh, dryness attacking the lung.
Yeah, wind dryness invading the lung or attacking the lung. 41. Acute onset coughing, panting hoarseness with thin, white, or clear phlegm. Bago lang, inubo. Tapos ang lumabas na phlegm, napakanipis.
Wind, cold, invading the lung.
Okay, next. Chronic paroxysmal cough with profuse white sticky phlegm. Chronic, so interior to. That is easy to expectorate. Sinagot mo to kanina.
Phlegm obstructing lung, damp phlegm.
Yes, damp phlegm. Very good. Cough with expectoration of thin white sputum. Mas malala sa gabi. Thin white sputum.
Phlegm obstructing lung, cold phlegm.
Very good. Barking cough with profuse sticky yellow or green phlegm that is difficult to expectorate.
Phlegm obstructing lung, heat, phlegm. Phlegm,
Very
heat.
good. O, di ba? Hinahaba-haba lang natin kasi 2 weeks to eh, no? Dry cough with occasional difficulty to expectorate, scanty, uh, difficult to expectorate, scanty white or blood streak phlegm. Dry cough.
Dry phlegm obstructing lung.
Very good. Cough or coughing or panting with foul pus and blood. May
Heat congesting in the lung.
Very good. Cough with profuse white foamy sputum.
Phlegm dump obstructing lung.
Cold water shooting into the lung or obstructing the lung. Number 48. Okay, punta na tayo sa another organ, another Zangfu. Poor appetite, merong abdominal bloating or distension, loose stools plus qi deficiency symptoms katulad ng SOB, spontaneous sweating, aversion to speaking, fatigue, lassitude, weak limbs. The tongue is pale with teeth marks. Pulse is weak and soft. What's your answer?
Spleen and lung deficiency.
Bakit sinabay mo? Hmm, sa bagay, spontaneous. Anyway, yeah. Pag may spleen and lung qi deficiency, may allergy yan. But in this case,
Mm.
pwede na po spleen qi deficiency lang. Spontaneous
Okay.
eating, no? Next,
Spleen.
49. Kasi pareho lang sila ng ano, 'di ba? Pareho sila ng um, polarity. Next. Okay. Downbearing or sagging plus spleen qi deficiency symptoms, poor appetite, tongue is pale, pulse is weak. Okay, yung pinaka-kwan dito is ito,
Okay.
downbearing. Yeah, what do you
Ah,
call this pattern?
down bearing. Spleen chi sinking
Very
pattern.
good. Okay, the bleeding sa gums, hematochezia, easily bruised. Sa menstruating women, advanced yung menstruation niya, prolonged period, menorrhagia, metastasis. What is your diagnosis?
Spleen chi deficiency. Spleen not controlling blood.
Very good. Okay, what about this? Pareho din ng spleen deficiency pero meron siyang cold.
Teka. Spleen yang deficiency.
Ang galing. Yes. 52. Chapped ang lips, dry mouth, hunger, pero no desire to eat, epigastric discomfort or pain, may GERD. Meron siyang yin deficiency, red with thin yellow or scanty coating, thin rapid. Anong pattern?
Na, nakudok, wala na pala akong sagot hanggang, teka, yung,
Sige lang, okay lang. Sige, what is your answer here? Spleen. O napaka-obvious, andyan na yung mga five center heat, night sweats,
ah, 5 center hit, ano nga ba to? In yellow, red.
red yung tongue, thin yellow or scanty coating. What's your answer? So sana dapat yung sagot mo merong yin deficiency. Di ba?
Parang
Pa-
stomach deficiency with heat.
Dry mouth, hunger. Yeah, stomach yin deficiency. Okay, actually magkapatid lang sila ni spleen. Spleen yin deficiency.
Spleen deficiency.
Next. Yeah, stomach yin deficiency or spleen and stomach yin deficiency. Next, cold, damp, pale, flabby with white, greasy, or glossy coating. Poor appetite. Tapos may heaviness, epigastric abdominal bloating, distension. What is your answer?
Wala rin ako sagot dito.
Okay, cold dampness encumbering the spleen.
Cold
Spleen,
dampness and
damp cold. Next. Ito naman, so kung kanina damp cold, ano kaya ito? Tingnan nyo, meron siyang eczema, skin itching, sticky yellow vaginal discharge, tapos may amoy yan. What is your diagnosis here?
Ikaw, ano ba to? Gastric.
Sticky yellow vaginal discharge, automatic na yan. Pero meron din siyang bloating, may poor appetite, diarrhea, sticky, stinking stool, mabaho yung stool niya, jaundice with bright yellow skin. So what's your diagnosis? It's damp heat
Dampi.
encumbering the spleen or spleen damp heat. Number 55. Um, okay, red ang tongue with little coating, may epigastric pain. So with burning sensation, hunger with no desire to eat. How is this different from the previous one? Dito may chapped yung lips, no desire, epigastric discomfort din. Okay.
Mm.
Yeah, kaya sinabi ko pareho lang stomach and so what's your answer here?
Um, s-
Gutom siya
s-
pero walang gana wala ayaw niya kumain. Stomach
s-
yin
mm,
deficiency.
stomach. Stomach naman pala.
Next.
Yung kaninang spleen.
Mm-mm. Kasi ang spleen, di ba, yung pag nakita mo yung lips mo, may mga ano-ano, spleen po yon, spleen yin deficiency. Pero usually, pareho lang sa stomach. Okay? Next, dull, vague cold pain in the epigastrium na nare-relieve by applying warmth, by applying pressure. So this is very deficient. So meron siyang yang deficiency symptoms like cold, weak limbs, vomiting clear fluids, preference for warm food or drinks. The tongue is pale or moist, pulse is deep, weak, and slow. What's your answer?
Stomach yang deficiency.
Yes, very good. Or stomach deficiency cold. Yes, of course. Andiyan na oh. Diba? Yang deficiency or stomach deficiency cold. Number 57. Ito. Bleeding gums. Tapos may thirst siya, desire to drink cold water talaga. No? With vomit siya with sour, bitter taste, mouth sores, may GERD, constipation with dry stool, yung tongue red with yellow coating, pulse is slippery, rapid. What's your answer?
Lagi. Siguro.
Hindi. Alam mo
Ah,
yan. Tingnan mo, yung
ah,
tongue niya red, tapos yellow yung coating. So definitely stomach ito. Do you think
stomach.
this is
Heat.
just, yeah, stomach? Tingnan nyo, nagbi-bleed na oh. Tapos
Uh,
gusto niya ng cold water pag thirsty.
stomach yin deficiency.
No. Stomach
Ah,
fire na.
lamay init.
Stomach fire na. Kita nyo na, may bleeding na eh.
Ayun nga pala pagka merong mga smells, fire.
Bad breath. Yeah. Number 58. Acute severe colicky, epigastric abdominal pain relieved by vomiting, warmth, diarrhea with undigested food, no thirst, cold limbs, profuse clear saliva.
Mm, ito, bali, cold, um,
So what's your answer? It's cold.
stomach, stomach
Cold
cold.
invading the stomach.
Mm,
So nakakain ka ng malamig, no? Di
mm,
ba yung iba, grabe yung ice cream, lahat na lang malamig, no? So nagkakaroon ng diarrhea. So this is very common actually. Okay? No thirst, profuse clear saliva. Next, sour vomiting, epigastric abdominal pain or distension, sticky foul diarrhea. Tapos pag tinignan mo yung tongue, thick greasy coating, slippery or deep, forceful. So excess. Ano po ang pattern?
uh, stomach heat.
No, walang thirst eh. Do you find
Walang,
thirst?
um,
Pag stomach fire, thirsty siya pero gusto niya cold talaga. Ito, this is cold, Yung mga parang nag-vomit ka tapos maasim. Oo, kasi nag-overeat.
Baka
Food
stomach ache.
stagnation or food retention. Okay?
Mm.
Number 60. O, ito naman. Ito matindi. Severe stabbing epigastric pain. Eh, wag naman tayo magkaroon sana ng ganito, no? That is worse after eating. Worse pag pinrest, lalong masakit. Nausea, vomiting, mali ang spelling, double N. Dull complexion, purplish spotting, wiry pulse, choppy. So, stomach pa rin tayo. Ano po itong condition? Ano yung pattern?
Ah, stomach stagnation.
Very good. Galing talaga. O, di ba? Paulit-ulit lang tayo. Ito naman, punta naman tayo sa ibang Zanfu organ. Blurry vision, dry eyes, night blindness, floaters, pale, brittle, withered nails, mga patay na yung kuko, dizziness, tinnitus, numbness of limbs, muscle twitching, joint stiffness, trembling hands or feet, pale face, nail slips, insomnia, tongue is pale,
Parang liver chi deficiency ba to?
hindi pwedeng chi. Kasi kung mas malala pa doon, tinan mo, meron ng trembling.
Tapos pale, liver blood
Hindi
deficiency.
lang.
Yun.
May
Pero
insomnia na siya. Liver
sa heart,
yin deficiency.
liver yin.
Next. Ito. Hypochondrial pain with burning sensation, blurry vision, dry eyes, trembling hands or feet. Okay. Red tongue with dry coating,
Sa heart,
hot flashes. Actually, parang pareho lang siya, no? But the answer is liver blood deficiency.
liver blood.
Anong difference nito? Tinnitus. Ito, wala pang tinnitus.
Mm,
Di ba mas malala na pag liver yin deficiency? Ito may tinnitus na, oh. Dizziness, numbness of the limbs, joint stiffness. Ito, wala pa.
mm,
Di ba? Liver
mm.
blood deficiency. So kung babae yan, yung menstruation niya,
Scanty.
scanty. Yes. Number 63. Ito, distending pain in the head or eyes, lumbar or knee soreness. Ibig sabihin na affected na yung kidney. Ibig sabihin may nagko-contribute na si kidney. And then heavy feeling in the head, dizziness, vertigo, tinnitus, flushed face, congested eyes, vexation, dream disturbed sleep, insomnia, poor memory. Dapat may bitter taste pa, no? Tongue is red with scanty coat, wiry, rapid pulse. What's your answer?
Um,
The most common cause of hypertension. So liver to. Liver what?
liver, heavy feet, teka. Liver young. Hindi.
Yeah, yun na. Liver young rising.
Liver young, rising.
Okay, next. Ito, ang pasyente depressed, may distending pain. Diyan na naman tayong keywords, ha? Distending pain in the hypochondria, lateral abdomen, irregular menses, frequent sighing, laging ganito. PMS, breast distension, dysmenorrhea, sensation of chest oppression, plum pit syndrome. May para kang buto nasa goiter, abdominal masses. The tongue is pale and dusky. Pulse is wiry. What's your diagnosis? Take note, distending pain.
May stasis siguro. Liver,
Ay, yeah, anong klaseng stasis or anong klaseng stagnation? Is
liver
stagnation or blood stagnation?
blood
No,
stasis.
no, 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 no. Do you see any purple here? Wala.
Ay,
So,
pain lang.
liver qi stagnation. Distending pain pa lang, oh. Distending pain. Hmm? 65.
Mm-hmm.
Sudden symptoms, distending headache, may conjunctival congestion, bitter taste, all day, dryness in the mouth, sudden tinnitus, deafness, bigla lang, no? High-pitched yung tinnitus. Red with yellow coating, very rapid. Ano po ito?
Ikaw,
Obviously, it's the liver.
the all day dryness.
Liver,
Liver gene deficiency.
hindi lang siya yin deficiency, hindi rin siya liver blood deficiency, definitely. Conjunctival
May heat.
congestion, namula na yung mata. Hmm?
Uh,
Red with yellow coating. What's your answer?
liver heat o
No.
liver fire.
Liver fire blazing.
Yun.
Okay. Ito naman, high fever, irritability, fidgeting, coma, spasms, convulsions, stiff neck, lockjaw, upward, straight staring eyes, opisthotonus. Tongue is deep red crimson with dry yellow coating, pulse is wiry and rapid. What is this?
Uh,
High fever na. So, ibig sabihin, may nangyayari na.
liver yin collapse.
No, hindi pa.
Wala
Extreme
pa.
heat generating liver wind. Kasi nag-lockjaw na, naka-opisthotonus na siya. No? Liver wind. Remember liver wind?
Liver wind.
Yeah.
Ay, oo nga.
Yes. Ito naman,
So,
merong tremors, twitching, numbness in the extremities, itching, pale lips, nails, tongue, dizziness, blurry vision, tinnitus, dull complexion, night blindness, dry eyes, scanty menstrual flow. O ito ha, amenorrhea. So alam mo na kaagad, pag scanty menstrual flow. So, pero
uh,
meron siyang
blood
tremor
deficiency. No? Liver blood deficiency.
generating wind. Kasi gumagalaw-galaw na, twitching na. Okay?
Blood
58.
lang.
Distending pain in the head and eyes. Andito na naman tayo. No? Heavy feeling in the head. Congested eyes, vexation, red with scanty coat, wiry rapid. So, I think, yeah. So, what's your answer here?
Parang liver wind din eh.
Yes. Liver young rising, nagta-transform na into wind. Okay? Ito naman, tremors pa rin. So may wind na rin. Pero saan nagmula? Liver pa rin. O, tinan mo, may 5 center heat, night sweats, low-grade fever. What's your answer?
Oh,
May wind pa rin. Diba? Answer
di,
is liver yin deficiency generating wind. So if you notice, pag meron kang liver yin deficiency, meron kang liver yang rising, meron kang liver blood deficiency, meron kang extreme heat, pwede kang mag-generate ng liver wind. So pwede kang ma-stroke. No? So good luck. Are we good? Next, number 70. Malapit na tayo. Okay, cold pain in the bilateral lower abdomen or genitals or hernia. Meron siyang hernia. Vomiting clear mucus, pain aggravated by cold, relieved by warmth, vertex headache, cold limbs, pale with moist white coating. Pale, ha? Pale yung tongue. Tapos moist. So, anong tawag dito? Remember, meron na siyang hernia. Deep, slow, tight, and wiry. Of course, liver channel pa rin. This is called cold stagnation in the liver channel. Okay? Bakit cold stagnation? Tingnan nyo po. Meron na siyang pain. Pag stagnation yan, meron na pong pain. Okay. Ano sagot nyo rito? Ito na. Tapos na tayo rito, no? Can you hear me?
yes po.
Okay. Next. Ito. Alam nyo na. Kanina, So this is easy, no? Wiry, chubby, purple body with purple petite on the sides. So what is this?
Ito.
Purple nails, lips. Tapos meron siyang sharp pain, may mass sa hypochondrium.
Oo.
Okay.
Liver, blood
Very
stagnation.
good. O, diba? On the spot. Next. Punta naman tayo, another Zangfu organ. Timidity, lack of courage, or initiative, easily startled, indecisiveness, wrong spelling. Paranoia, insomnia, dream disturbed sleep, plus chi deficiency symptoms. Tongue is pale, thin, wiry, weak. What is the diagnosis? Hindi
Mm,
maka-decide, very timid.
heart chi deficiency.
Gallbladder, chi deficiency.
Gallbladder.
Actually, affected din yung heart niyan. Pero if you notice, wala pa siyang palpitation. Okay?
Okay.
Next. Alternating chills or fever. Sa gallbladder pa rin. Remember, Shaoyang yan, di ba? Bitter
Mm.
taste in the mouth, dry throat, nausea, vomiting, yellow sclera, or skin jaundice. Um, so red with yellow coating, rapid wiry. What's your diagnosis?
Um, It in the gallbladder.
Okay, very good. Galing. Okay. Fright, easily startled, panic attacks, paranoia, insomnia, dizziness, chest distress, hypochondriac distension, bitter taste in the mouth, dizziness, tinnitus, irritability, nausea, dream disturbed sleep palpitations. Slippery, wiry. What's your answer? Tinan mo ha,
Uh,
yung tongue, red with thick yellow greasy coating.
no. Uh,
Ina,
Phlegm in the gallbladder.
okay, very good. Gallbladder stagnation with phlegm. Next, what are the six functions of the heart according to Chinese medical theory? Dito, it governs blood, it controls the blood vessels, it manifests in the complexion, it houses the mind, it opens into the tongue, and it controls sweat. Okay? Okay, fill in the blanks. Anong effect ng joy sa heart chi?
It slows.
Wow, ang galing. Joy slows down heart chi. Ano namang effect ng sadness?
It depletes heart chi.
Very good. So, bawal maging sad. Nawawala yung heart chi. Kaya pala, no, inaatake sa puso yung iba. Okay, number 78. What about grief?
Depletes din.
Yeah, pareho lang, di ba? Ang grief may nawala. Sad, baka nainis ka lang. Okay, anger makes the heart chi.
Rise.
Very good. Worry, blank the heart chi.
Nuts.
So magkakaroon ka ng chi stagnation, di ba?
Mm.
Binubuhol-buhol niya, no? Hmm. So what are the psychological manifestations of heart pathology?
Yung Shen.
Mental, emotional symptoms. Hmm. And the
Pathology.
pathology of the mind, nare-reflect po yan sa Shen ng mata. So if their heart is weak, if they have heart chi deficiency, they will not want to look straight at you. My depression, anxiety, insomnia. So if you have patients like this, you should never forget the heart. Palpitations, of course, tongue ulcers, aphasia. Next, what is the general etiology of heart patterns? Do you have
Uh, Etiology.
yeah, start
Emotion.
with
Yan.
the exterior pathogenic factors. Then we have the internal, no? Like emotions, okay? Joy, tingnan nyo, slows down the heart chi, later nagkakaroon ng Qi deficiency. Okay, then ito, diet and overwork. Okay. Exterior pathogenic factors do not usually affect the heart directly, but the pericardium instead. True or false?
True.
Very good. Pericardium muna. Okay. Anong pattern po ito? Ito yung clinical manifestations. Palpitation, shortness of breath on exertion, pale face, spontaneous sweating, tiredness, slight depression, pale tongue, empty pulse. What's your diagnosis?
Heart Chi deficiency.
Very good. Ito naman, pareho, pero meron lang cold hands.
Heart Yang deficiency.
Very good. Okay. Ito, yung lips niya, cyanotic na. Tapos yung pulse, nagtatago na. Knotted, minute, comatose in severe cases. What's your answer?
Heart Yang collapse.
Very good. Yung precursor niya, it always involves the kidney yang deficiency. Kaya hindi talaga maganda, mahina ang kidney natin. No? A lot of people do not realize na hindi po maganda pag malamig yung ating paa. Kasi that can also affect the heart, right? So kidney yang deficiency. Tingnan nyo, precursor, paano nagmula ang lahat, no?
Mm.
So kailangan painitin na natin yung mga paa natin, find ways on how to warm it. Next, what is the etiology of heart-yin deficiency? Bakit yung iba nagkakaroon ng heart-yin deficiency?
Mental and emotional stress, anxiety, worry and fear, lack of sleep, excessive thinking,
O
over
overwork, diba?
overwork. Uh,
So yung heat din, dapat kasi hindi tayo lumalabas pag mainit masyado, no? Um, di ba mainit dito sa atin?
mm, dapat shaded.
And saka pag meron kang kidney yin deficiency or liver yin deficiency, posible kang magkaroon din ng heart yin deficiency. Di ba?
Mm,
Good. Okay, ano ang pattern nito?
mm, heart yin deficiency.
Very good. Actually, doon mo lang tingnan sa taas, alam mo na kaagad. Walang tongue coating, X. Okay.
Uh, excessive mental activity, poor production of blood, diet, blood stasis, heavy menstrual bleeding, bleeding disorder.
Okay, this is heart blood deficiency, no? So heart blood deficiency dahil sa emotions, okay? Lack of nourishment, hemorrhage nung nanganak, hmm? Liver blood deficiency. Connect-connect lahat, no, sir? Right?
Opo.
Next, ano po ang pattern dito? Tingnan nyo yung una. Alam nyo kagad. Palpitations, insomnia, poor memory.
Yung heart blood deficiency.
Very good. Mahirap siyang makatulog. Matagal siyang makatulog. Next, etiology and heart fire etiology. Paano nagmula ang heart fire etiology? Dahil sa pagkain, no, 'di ba?
Mm.
Ano po?
Uh, anger can cause liver fire or liver rising and
Okay,
will resort to heart fire.
very good. Hot foods, no? Spicy red meat and alcohol. Oh, matikas pa rin ulo. Okay, sige, yun. Chronic anxiety. Kaya dapat kung mag-acupuncture tuloy-tuloy na, di ba? Constant worry, depression, stagnation, chi, and then fire. Okay, what is your diagnosis here? May tongue ulcer, may thirst, may palpitation, tongue is red, may mga sugat-sugat sa tongue.
Ayan, ang rapid eh. Heart fire.
Yes, heart fire blazing or heart fire. Next, May mental symptoms. Natutopak na. Tongue is red. Tongue coating sticky yellow.
Ano ba to?
The other symptoms are there. What is the diagnosis? What's the pattern?
Heart, ano?
Mental.
Heart,
Pag mental, phlegm.
ah,
Di ba
heart,
may phlegm? Phlegm fire,
heart,
harassing the heart.
ano?
What is the precursor? Paano nagmula po ang phlegm fire harassing the heart? Ano yung mga hilig nilang kainin?
Spicy,
Yes.
alcohol,
Fried
fried,
food, greasy food, super
busy. Yeah.
sarap, di ba? Underline. So yung heart fire, nauubos, nasisira si yin, and then the phlegm will obstruct the qi. Kasi yung presence ng heat will actually give you magko-condense, no? Kaya nagkakaroon ng phlegm. Okay? Heart fire will hurt the yin, and then the phlegm will obstruct the qi and can aggravate spleen qi deficiency, no? And then dryness, fire will condense the yan na. Next, ano pong diagnosis dito? Mental confusion, unconsciousness, vomiting of phlegm. Napansin nyo, have you been to a psychiatric ward, Sir Victor?
Hindi pa po.
Ang dami nilang phlegm. Di ba?
Mm,
Ang dami nilang phlegm. Saka may amoy. Okay. So, what
slippery
is the
pulse.
diagnosis here? Phlegm
Flame
misting the mind.
misting the mind.
Kasi ang phlegm, di ba, nagkukos ng poor impaired circulation, no? So,
mm,
lalabo yung pag-iisip. Kaya tingin-tingin din sa dila. 96. What is your diagnosis here? Okay, go. Hmm? Ito pa lang, feeling
heart,
of tension or oppression of the chest, depression, slight feeling of lump in the throat.
parang heart yang
No, 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 no,
deficiency.
no, no. Wala ngang, yeah, na meron ng heart
Hindi. Hindi.
stagnation, heart chi
Ano?
stagnation.
Heart.
Pwede ka pa rin, hindi pa naman siya feeling cold, cold lang yung limbs niya. Hmm? 97. Ano po ito? Tinan nyo yung pinakamagandang symptom dito. Oh. Shortness of breath, inability to lie down, nahirapan na siyang humiga, dapat nakataas ang unan, di ba? Nakaupo lang. Stabbing or pricking pain in the heart region. Tapos nagra-radiate na to the upper back or comes and goes sa shoulder.
Heart blood stagnation.
Yeah. Heart
Ah,
vessel obstructed, heart blood stagnation. Very good. Of course. Yeah. Ito, palpitations, cyanosis of the lips and nails, cold hands, choppy pulse, tongue is purple in its entirety or only on the sides in the chest area. What's your diagnosis?
um, heart blood stasis.
Yes.
Yun.
What are the functions of the small intestine?
Functions absorbs uh, the food. The ano? No,
It controls receiving and transforming. It separates fluids.
separates fluid.
And the last one, ano po ang etiology, general etiology ng small intestine problems? Nandito na.
Ano to? Diet, raw,
Diet,
cold.
raw, cold, and heat, emotional strain, sadness, worry, anger. Thank you so much, Sir Victor, in spite of... Umuulan ba dyan?
Hindi po.
Ay, hindi ba? Ay, hindi pa rin din. Panginoon,
Marami na talaga walang sagot.
hold.
Konti lang sagot ko, Doc. Sorry.
Di, okay lang, no problem. Maraming salamat, Sir Victor. Break tayo ng 2 weeks. And
Sige po. Ang magandang balita yan.
para ano muna, pahinga. Kaya nagdo-double time tayo, di ba? Napansin nyo? Oo, kasi meron tayong ginagawang ibang ano. So focus naman tayo sa pattern differentiation. And thank you so much
Ay,
for having the...
tanong ko lang po, Doc.
Okay,
Yung tuloyin sa 23.
yes. Yung 23, dadating ako siguro mga 10. Kasi kung dadating ako ng 7:45, travel time. Ano no? 9 ako dadating. So travel time, 10. Um, yeah, tuloy po yun.
Practice po yun sa, ano, no?
Practicum
Sa,
lahat. Yes. Yeah.
sa partners.
And
Tutusukin
yes,
yung partner.
then paano mo ino-normalize yung pressure, ay yung pulse. At the same time, practice na din sa pag-diagnose. Um, everything. Kasi hindi po ito makukuha one time lang eh. No?
Mm.
We will focus on practicum talaga. A little lecture siguro on, yeah,
Sige, thank you po.
mga points, no? Categories ng points, no? Yung
Yeah.
mga back shoe, front move, she cleft, ano yon. So we'll provide all of that. So, and prepare your charts.
Okay.
And
Thank you very much, Doc.
yeah, we will teach you how to needle the butt.
Oo.
Okay, so no, mag-ano tayo, kasi puro na lang tayo theory, so it's about time na mag-ano tayo. See you po on the 23rd. Let's pray na wala na pong bagyo.
Oh,
Mukhang
sana po.
sana, sana walang baha. Maraming salamat po, Sir Victor. Have a great weekend. Thank you po.
Salamat po. Good night.
Salamat sa pagtsatsaga. Good night.